In this video.
It's BROMO!
BROMO time. Hallo.
Hallo!
We are at BROMO.
Whoa. It's the middle of the night.
Yeah, we're at the viewing points.
Yeah, no, not yet. The viewing point is up there.
We're almost at the viewing point.
Almost at the viewing point of BROMO. We had a fun little ride with the jeep. It was a bit bumpy sometimes. But it's part of the experience. It's now, what is it, the time? Almost 3:30. And the sun will rise in about an hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so. So we have to wait for an hour. And then we can hopefully
Have a nice view.
have a really nice view. Yeah, I'm curious.
Yeah.
And we'll show you.
Yeah.
We started our BROMO adventure from Malang. We booked a tour online, we got picked up in the middle of the night. We entered the national park of BROMO and then it took about, I think, 1.5 to 2 hours before we got through the deserty-like environment, all the way up to the viewing point. Once at the viewing point, when the sun came up, wow, the views were just spectacular, amazing, beautiful. It's BROMO!
BROMO time.
White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
It was really, really special to see, and I don't think we've ever seen anything like this at all. We never expected it to be this good. So if you're ever close to BROMO, please just go for it. I think it's more than worth it.
As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York.
What do you think, huh?
I think this is definitely in my top 3 most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, it's
Maybe number
like,
1.
wow, so beautiful.
Everything is just perfectly blending together.
Yeah,
It's insane.
it's perfect, really perfect. Sunrise, like the landscape, it's perfect.
Clouds.
The clouds, like,
Everything
yeah.
is so
I
beautiful.
don't know, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're going back to the jeep. We're going to some other like viewing points closer to the BROMO volcano. Yeah, so that's the plan for now.
Old apartment, distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
That's where all the smoke is coming from.
It makes a lot of noise as well.
Yeah?
It's crazy.
As if it's a waterfall.
Yeah.
Right? Oh.
New Year's Eve, 300 miles counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long